Okay, here's a fun little project for you. If you got some scraps of 2x4 and some scrap line left over, we take it every now and then and make a set of chocks. What we do is take the 2x4 and cut it to about 8 inches, and then we'll take about 30 degrees off the edge. You can do this with your circular saw or a table saw if you got it. Then come underneath and drill about halfway through with a 1 1/4 inch spade bit. Then you continue on through the bottom. Depending on what size line you have, we had 3/16, so we took a 1/4 inch drill bit. Just went up a couple of sizes on the drill bit and finished this little spade bit hole right through the end. And the only tricky part with this is when you want this finished product with your little line to hold your chocks together. You want that hole on the same end, so just remember it's kind of offset. Drill one, then just take a look and flip it over and drill that recess. Then you put it together. We cut these to around 3 feet or so. You might want them smaller if you got the 8-inch tires, maybe bigger if you got 15-inch, but just there's enough to keep them together, and also it gives enough for it to go up and go over that little hub in the middle to keep this line from laying in the dirt or the mud. So put that line through, come on the bottom, tie a little figure 8 knot, and this is, you can see now why we cut this recess, so that knot can store in there, and then when you put the chalk down, it's flat. It's not up at the end or anything. And you know us, we like to round edges, so we rounded the edges up here, but we didn't round edges on the bottom. We want these as square as we can get so they dig into the dirt or the concrete, whatever that's sitting on. You get ready to go, you pull your chocks and be on your way, or throw them under there and throw them down there, kick them in place with your foot. That way you don't have a bunch of lumber getting stacked up all over the place. You can have a nice little 15-20 minute project, get some nice chocks for your trailers. That about does it.